Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your transmission adaptations. For this video I'm using Pro Tool again. I'm using it because I'm so happy with it. It can basically do anything that was previously only was possible with a computer or a laptop. And with the transmission adaptations is actually the same. Previously you needed IMPA or ISTA to reset these, but now you can do it with your phone with Pro Tool. And keep in mind you need a coding license, which is, I think it was around 75 bucks, but this license is definitely worth it. Okay, now I have the phone already plugged into the car. Keep in mind that you have a bit of battery in the phone so it won't die, and that the car is in accessory mode. Now this is the home screen for Pro Tool. You are probably familiar with this by now. Now we're gonna want to go to drivetrain, and you see engine, transmission, fuel pump. We're gonna go to transmission because we're looking to reset the adaptation values. Go to functions, and you see some options here, and the top one is clear adaptations. Now be very careful when choosing this option. Don't just clear adaptations because you're experiencing a bit of rough shifting or something like that. You should only clear your adaptations when you've replaced something in the transmission, like fluid, shift solenoids, clutch plates, bushings, whatever, the mechatronic sleeve if you had a leak previously. Also, if I press this button right now, it will not give you a confirmation. It will immediately reset the values to 0. So be very careful with that, but it's possible with Pro Tool. You cannot do this with any other app, not XHB, which is a terrific app by the way. It doesn't do it basically just for safety purposes. I mean, you can mess things up more than you can save with it if you don't know what you're doing. After resetting the adaptations back to 0, you will get pretty rough shifting, and the transmission has to be an operating temperature. Then you're going to follow the procedure. Before the adaptation values will get to their corresponding value. So keep that in mind. It's possible with Pro Tool, but use caution obviously. I'm not responsible for any damage you might do to your transmission by resetting your adaptation and getting all types of fault codes, limp modes. Keep in mind with Pro Tool it's a very powerful app. You can mess things up pretty bad if you don't know what you're doing. So yeah, well, that was the video. As you can see, it is pretty easy to do. More talk than a tutorial basically. So yeah, if you have any more questions, leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, whatever, and if you have any questions, just drop them. Okay,